Nice work, sir. The payoff from Redstone really got us back on our feet.
Why is that Tosh guy aboard?
He wanted to talk to you in person, sir. Something about conducting more business ventures together.
You do any digging on him?
Of course. And he's no pirate. Rumor has it he's a renegade ghost. And until he vanished, he was one of the Dominion's top assassins. Now Manx hates him almost as much as he hates you.
Well, I like this guy already. Just the same, we'd best keep an eye on him.
Yes, sir.
You ever heard of a guy named Gabriel Tosh?
Only rumors. Way I hear it, he was mixed up in some covert branch of the Ghost program that produced some real scary badasses. Word was, Tosh snapped and went rogue. I'd play it real cool with that kind. He'd cut your throat soon as look at you.
I've dealt with rogue ghosts before. It's the one still working for Manx I got a problem with.
Donnie Vermillion, UNN, your first, last, and only stop for the truth. Tonight, our own Kate Lockwell uncovers a secret shadow war, waged by our brave Dominion ghosts against a ruthless hidden enemy.
Thanks, Donnie. I'm talking live with a specialist in the Dominion. I understand that you and your comrades have been against a group of... What can you tell us about that?
Well, Kate, I'm not allowed to say much, but I can tell you that his allies will not. We expect them very soon.
I think we'll all sleep a little better tonight, knowing our Dominion forces are watching over us. For UNN, I'm Donnie Vermillion.
Commander, the alien artifact is all secure in the lab, sir. You know, seeing it got me to thinking about my special projects.
Whoa, slow down, Stedman. What do you mean, projects? You doing some kind of research down here?
Yeah, well, you know, not yet, sir. I still need some additional specimens to get things going. Once I get those, we can make some big improvements to our weapon systems and tactics.
Well, I'm all for that. What do you need?
All kinds of things. I've entered the details into our database. If you run into something on a mission that we need, you'll be notified automatically.
Just try not to blow up the ship. Okay, Stedman?
Just out of curiosity, I did some tests on the minerals from Redstone. I thought you should know I found trace quantities of jorium, a rare crystal with very unique properties.
I'm all ears, Doc. What kind of properties?
Jorium resonates at the same frequency as certain brainwaves. It's been theorized that it could be used to stimulate brain activity or even produce psionic abilities in human subjects.
What the hell does Tosh want that for? Can you tell me anything about this artifact? Gotta admit, kinda weirds me out.
I've done some preliminary studies. Your artifact is a few thousand years old, but that makes it pretty young in xenoarchaeological terms. Most alien artifacts are millions of years old. By comparison, this one was made recently.
It ain't like anything Protoss I've ever seen. But if they didn't make it, who did?
He is the man. We make a good team, me and you.
Why are you here, Tosh? Our business is done unless you got something else for me.
Yeah, I got another job for us on a world called Belshia. Interested?
Maybe. What's in it for me? Piracy ain't exactly my chosen path.
Everyone knows Jim Raynor wants to put the hurt on Minsk. I can help you with that. I can help you big time.
I'll think about it. For the time being, welcome aboard the Hyperion. We'll talk later.
There's a rare gas on Belshir, the Protoss skull, the breath of creation. They think it be a gift from their gods. We call it Terrazine, and it'd be worth a fortune to the right bidder. Of course those Protoss will kill us if they catch us on their holy ground. Or at least they'll try.
Jim, refugee populations from across the sector have been using Meinhof as a staging point. But with so many people in close proximity, an epidemic of some kind has started sweeping through the camps. Please, my people need help. We've got to do something before it's too late.
So what are we looking at, Doc?
Our readings indicate some kind of bio-infestation is spreading through the refugee camps. Even the buildings are being covered by it.
I've seen this kind of thing before. It's a Zerg virus. All we can do is burn it out. Every one of those infested buildings has to be destroyed.
But where are all the people? Oh no. Those things are infested refugees? This is a nightmare.
Yeah, this ain't good at all.
It looks like they burrow underground by day and emerge only at night. The virus must make them vulnerable to the high UV output of Meinhof's star.
Then we'll hit the infested buildings by day and protect our base at night. Don't worry, Doc. We'll contain this thing.
What's going on? Yeah. SCV ready.
All right, boys. We can't risk the contagion spreading to this camp. I want a perimeter set and some bunkers in place now.
You going sweet on that doctor lady, Jimmy. Can't see why else we'd keep fighting for these damn dirt farmers. SCV ready.
By the numbers, boys. Armed and you gonna give me orders? Been waiting on you. Say the word.
SCV ready.
Add-on complete.
Fueled.
You rang? Where does it hurt?
This better be good.
SCV ready.
Nightfall in 30 seconds.
You got my attention. Who wants some? Armed and ready. Fight fire with ready to...
SCV ready. Big job, huh? Move it! SCV ready.
Now we gotta hold out till sunrise. Brace yourselves. This could get ugly.
SCV ready. Ah! This bad news? Huh? SCV ready.
Say the word.
Who wants some?
You rang?
SCV ready.
Smells like...
Not enough minerals.
Please, kill me.
Say the word.
Additional supply depots required. Additional supply depots required.
Yep. Sure thing. Woohoo! Overtime!
Been waiting on you.
SCV ready.
Gangway, coming through.
Go ahead. SCV ready. Yep. In the rear with the gear. Yes, sir.
You want to...
SCV ready.
You gonna give me orders?
SCV ready.
Base is under attack.
Yo. SCV ready.
Armed and ready.
Hey, hotshot. I got schematics to build them Hellions you saw in Marsara. Should be good down there.
Light it up. Are you ready for the SCV ready. Yeah. Daylight's burning. Huh? I'm going. SCV ready.
You want a piece of me, boy?
Sun's coming up. We gotta hold on a little longer.
What's going on?
Base is under attack.
SCV ready. Your boss. SCV ready.
Rise and shine, boys. Now it's our time to do some damage.
Are you ready for this?
Been waiting on you.
Daylight's burning.
Is that some sort of nest? You better destroy it.
Not enough minerals.
Go ahead.
Not enough minerals.
Where's the hot action?
The Grim Reaper has arrived.
SCV ready. Light it up.
Where does it hurt?
I'm listening. Enough.
Big job. SCV ready.
The Grim Reaper has arrived. What's it worth?
Waiting on you.
Upgrade complete.
Looks like that sector's clear, Jim. Better move on to the next one.
Vespine gas.
The Grim Reaper has arrived.
Where's the hot action?
I'm not detecting any more infested structures in that sector, Jim.
Pedal to the metal. Talk to me, boss.
Upgrade complete.
All day long.
The Grim Reaper has arrived.
Insufficient. Nightfall in 30 seconds.
Good job, guys. This area's secure.
Whoa! That sure pissed him off. Maybe we should wait for daylight. Infested Marines? Oh, hell, Jimmy, I don't care for that notion one bit.
You should set some guards. They'll be coming again soon.
Scans are picking up a unique Zerg biosignature. It appears to be a burrowing creature that is underground during the day and emerges only at night.
Sir, if you kill one of those creatures, Stetman can study it and perhaps learn something.
I'm listening. Yes, indeed. Seriously, you sure like stirring up the hornet's nest. The Grim Reaper has arrived. Yes, indeed. I'm going. Oh yeah, baby. The Grim Reaper has arrived.
All right, this sector is clear. Nice work, boys. Now move on to the next area.
Where does it hurt? Transit credit standing by.
Got something for me to kill. The Grim Reaper has arrived. All right. Yes, indeed.
Ah! You scared me!
What? You want something?
Upgrade complete.
The Grim Reaper has arrived.
Base is under attack. Base is under attack.
Daylight's burning!
The Grim Reaper has arrived. What's it worth?
You rang? That's a serious outbreak.
They've broken through the south barricade. Get some troops down there now.
You know, I think I saw this in a movie once.
Daybreak in 30 seconds.
Agreed. The Grim Reaper has arrived.
Bad news? It's your dime.
What? Fear the Reaper, man.
Don't forget, you have to be back by dark.
Where's the hot action?
The Grim Reaper has arrived.
We're screwed.
Death from above.
Good job, guys. This area's secure.
I'm going. The Grim Reaper has arrived.
I'm in a heap of trouble. Daylight's burning. Right on.
The Grim Reaper has arrived. Agreed. Yes, indeed. I'm going. Who wants some? Certainly. Got some.
I'm in a heap of trouble.
Death from above. This better be good.
Good job, guys. This area's secure.
Go, go, go! Who wants some? I'm listening. All right. Fear the Reaper, man.
Looks like this area's secure. Keep it up, fellas. We can stop this.
Gangway, coming through. Done. Let's do this. Nothing you got death. What? You got something for me to kill? Armed and ready. Agreed. I'm going. Who wants some?
sector is clear. Nice work, boys. Now move on to the next area.
Nightfall in 30 seconds.
You're almost done. There's just a handful of infested biosigns left. I'll highlight their locations on your map.
Keep your eyes peeled. There's gonna be more of them out there.
In the rear with the gear. Move it! Gotcha. Ah! What's going on?
The Grim Reaper has arrived.
All right.
You did it, Jim. I knew you wouldn't let us down. Now I've got to get my people somewhere safe.
Ain't gonna be so easy, darling. This whole sector's crawling with Zerg.
There's got to be somewhere out there the aliens haven't touched. Some undiscovered paradise waiting just for us.